I was at the highlight of my career before pandemic happened. I was
Wow.
getting so much opportunities during
Hmm.
that time. And then look at it now, 2021, 2020 pandemic happened, 2022 we opened up, 2026. So it took
Hmm.
almost 4 years to finally recover and to find my grounding again. And going to Washington was really our vacation. Like, you
Well,
need a
tell us.
vacation.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap up, but we have to talk about this because
Yeah.
you told me you were coming to Seattle. I'm like, oh my gosh, I get to meet Izzy. I get to introduce her to Carrie because you're
Yeah.
always like, Carrie, how's Carrie doing? And Carrie is my wife for everyone that's listening or watching. But I've wanted to make that connection for so long, and I knew that Izzy would be an amazing human being. And I got to meet her and her boyfriend Eric and some of Eric's family, and it was incredible.